Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. Because this equation equals to number 0, so we can find only complementary solution. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first derivative of this one. So we will have lambda e to the power of lambda s. If we do first derivative of this one, we keep about e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first derivative of lambda s, you got lambda. Now we do second derivative of this one. So we will have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. Now we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. So we have lambda square plus 5 lambda plus number 6 equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. So we have two solutions. So lambda equals to negative number 2 and lambda equals to negative number 3. So we have y equals to c number 1 e to the power of lambda s. So we change lambda into negative number 2. And now we have c number 2 e to the power of negative 3s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.